Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily copy text messages to clipboard on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, also write your comments. And let us get started with you. So, in order to copy absolutely any text message to the clipboard, you need to select that message. I'm going to take it from the messaging app, for example. When you find the text message you want to copy, you need to tap and hold. So you'll get a window like this, where you need to select Copy. And now you can easily send it, for example, to Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, to your notes, paste it into your mail, and so on. And so on, it makes absolutely no difference. In order to send it, I'm going to do it through Instagram. Let's say you have to go to correspondence and in the line for the message. Click and hold until you see the word Insert. You click on it and so as you can see, the message is inserted. Now pause. And you can send it. But I want to warn you that on an iPhone, you can only copy one message to the clipboard, which means that if you, let's say, you copy one text message, then 5 to 10 minutes later you copy one message, the first one will be automatically replaced by the second one. Because you can copy only one text message, then you send it, and after that you can copy another one. Friends, this is the simple way you can easily copy text messages to clipboard on your iPhone. I really hope this video clip was useful for you and helped you. Give me your likes and comments. See you soon.